Wonder, Learn, Achieve is part of our strapline, and the wonder aspect is talking about children being innately curious. We want to embrace that because that curiosity leads to learning. So Think Words is a brilliant game to play. There's a buzzer in the middle and you can do any category. So for example, I might do adjectives, and what you do is you'll say an adjective beginning with the letter that surrounds the board, and then you press the button in the middle and then you go on to the next person and then they say another adjective until the time runs out. Really good fun game, definitely recommend it. We do small group tuition. I think it's brilliant value for money, and they're getting quality input as well from qualified teachers. We only employ qualified teachers.
I love teaching. I was doing a lot of tutoring for Carrie, and then when I got a full-time teaching job, I just loved it so much here that I carried on.
It's a monthly direct debit and it covers maths and English, and if you were paying for maths and English separately, you would pay double at least.
Vanessa came to me, she felt that her child was really below average from where he should be. He has done remarkably well. He got greater depth in his maths sats and is in all the top groups now in year 7.
The increase in his grades, it's unbelievable. We knew he was struggling before, and now, you know, he's really, really up there with his maths and English, and it's all down to Carrie.
I learn things here sometimes before I've done it. In school, so when I'm in school, I feel quite confident with it because I've already learned it here.
We've learned lots of things in maths. I've done percentages, and I couldn't really do percentages, but now I know how to do some percentages.
I don't think there's anything better than seeing children progress, both academically and emotionally as well. So we can see the confidence grow, and that has a knock-on effect then on how they're progressing in the maths and in their English. We've got a really good reputation. If you give us a call, we're more than happy to listen to you, and then we'll be able to tell you if we can help you. But it's certainly not for the privileged. Many children from a variety of different backgrounds have tuition for a variety of different reasons.